So today we're going to talk about how to operate your LLC properly. And once you have your LLC set up, the biggest and most important tip you'll ever hear regarding your LLC is to treat it separately from your personal assets. Your business bank account is not your personal bank account. The LLC owns it. You just so happen to own 100% of the LLC. But you cannot directly use the business money for personal purchases and expenses. You need to make sure that you take the extra step to transfer money from your business bank account to your personal bank account, and then spend the money from your personal bank account. If anyone sues you and looks at your bank statements and sees personal purchases within the business bank account, that's enough for them to claim that the LLC is not in good standing because there's no separation between business and personal assets. And with that, they'll be able to come after your personal assets as well, which defeats the whole purpose of the LLC. Obviously, this is worst case scenario, and I hope that no one ever sues you, but you have to plan for the worst case scenario. And once you spend business money on personal purchases, there's no way to undo it. Based on where your LLC is registered, ensure that you understand the LLC's annual requirements, if there are any. This will vary by state, so make sure you check with your Secretary of State's website if you aren't already aware of any annual requirements. Is there any annual fees due? Is there any annual filings due in addition to your federal, state, and local income tax returns? If your LLC is not in good standing with the state, that can mean additional penalties and possibly even losing your right to do business in the state. So make sure that your LLC is always in compliance. If you found this video helpful, we're real accountants and CPAs who work with hundreds of small business owners just like you every day. Check us out at engagecpas.com to see if we're a good fit for your business. We also have business courses available to help small business owners understand their business. They're for you to learn about your financials, your taxes, how to pick the right entity, tax myths, and everything else about your business. Learn at your own pace. Check those courses out on the Education tab on our website. You can also find us on Instagram at Engage CPAs.